Okay. Have 5, 6, 7, 8 picture or 8 image I already draw in Illustrator. Here I put inside the Adobe After Effects. Put inside your project here. Okay, have 8 file here, right? So all here, click number 1 until 8, then bring to here, composition. Okay. You see the image, right? So what should you do? I drag all first here in composition. Here, at the last second here, 10 second, I bring to half second. Okay? And put the line here. So then what should you do? You do the, what we call it, tangga. Here, like this. But still no movement here. If you click the taskbar, only like this. Not even move, right? So what should you do? Click all or select all, bring to here. Maybe start from here, right? Here, go to number 2. Click number 2. Arrow in your right arrow in your keyboard. Then give a movement. Okay? You can see now. It's like this. Okay? So number 3 here. Click number 3. Before that, you can make it big here. For look at the movement number 2, you can drag first here. Bring the line to here. Click number 3 and give a movement. Or drag using your your arrow in keyboard. Okay. Then bring back. Here. Bring here. Click number 4. Drag. And bring back this one. Then give a movement. You can click also. Just drag. Bring back. This one. This one, do the same thing. Bring to here. Bring back. Because we just want to see the movement before. Okay. So we'll see the movement, yeah. Can you see? Everyone can see?
Can miss.
Okay.
Can
So
miss.
this one is only one circle. So how to continue? Okay, wait. How to continue? So you need to copy and paste. Number 6 here, 5, 6, 7 here, copy and paste. Okay, bring here. Again, bring to here. A movement. Doing like this. This one. Copy and paste. Bring to here. Adjust here. Here. Okay. Then paste it. Okay. You can copy and paste until finish the movement from left to right. Okay? Understand? Have any problem?
No, miss.
Okay, wait, yeah. I stop first the recording for this one.
No miss.